Hey, ladies and gentlemen. So I have my paper, have my pencil, and we're going to make what's known as a value scale. These are often made in an odd number, so we're going to do one from 1 to 5. Draw a rectangle first on your paper, and then you are going to do 5 equal sections, or as close to equal as you can possibly make them. Number them 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 1 is typically white. We add no value to number 1. 5 is typically black. So you're going to take that drawing utensil and you are going to apply as much value as you can, as hard as you can with your drawing material. Try to get in all those little spots. Try to make sure that you are definitely getting all the space of your 5 section. Once you have gotten that done, then you're going to go to your number 4 spot. You're going to press down hard, but not super hard. You're going to apply a little bit less pressure with your pencil this time. You don't want it to be too rough. You don't want it to be too much pressure because you want to see a very distinct value change between 4 and 5. I'm going to apply a little bit more pressure to this because I know that 3 has to be lighter than 4. Now I'm moving on to my number 3, and I'm going to apply even less pressure this time, shading in my area. Again, I see a distinct change between the 3 values. 2 is the next one. I'm applying very little pressure, just like I'm tickling the paper. And that's how you create your value scale, ladies and gentlemen.